If your shop uses Loyverse, you can pull a fresh copy of your data into LaundryVerse anytime. It lives in Settings in the Sync from Loyverse card. Click Sync from Loyverse to open the Reconnect page. Choose what to sync. Items, customers, employees, payment types, discounts, and sales receipts are all selected by default. Untick anything you want to leave alone. One thing to know, resyncing replaces matching items, customers, and contact details with Loyverse's current values, so untick items and categories if you have edited prices here. Staff pins, roles, and pay rates are always kept, and nothing is deleted. When you are ready, click Reconnect and Sync. Sign into your Loyverse account when it asks. Allow LaundryVerse to access your Loyverse data. That is it. Your sync runs in the background, so the data you chose appears in your dashboard in a few minutes while you keep working. Heads up, only the account owner can resync Loyverse, so ask the owner if you need a refresh and you are on the team.